So I'm gonna be going over how I lost around $1,200 day trading the S&P 500 today. I'm not gonna lie, this is a tough ass loss because I should not have taken it. But I'll go over my thought process on why I did take it, and yeah. So going into the day, we had this high that I really liked, and then we had this low that honestly, it's not a terrible draw on liquidity, but at the same time, it doesn't even make logical sense for price to go under there. We are like very bullish, so it doesn't totally make sense to go to that low. We were also kind of in this range between like right here and then right here. Like we're kind of just like in this range. We haven't really broken out of anything. So going on the 15 minute. 15 minute, we had this big, or the 5 minute, we had this big displacement right here. And I thought that was enough to say, like, okay, how do you go to this draw? Because at that point, at the beginning of the day, I thought the draw made sense to go to. It doesn't even look like it's that bad either. It's just looking back, it didn't make sense for price to go to it. So we go down to the 1 minute. We have this inverse for value gap right here. So I took it off this little black candle. I thought we would just displace down. My break even point was right here. So once we touched this low, I would go break even, but never got the chance to. Also, like some of you guys might be tripped up that we inversed this gap, but I didn't really care that we inversed this because we had this like big displacement, so I didn't really care about that. But I think the entry was good, but it just literally just did not make sense to go to that low. Also, I do think we were in a range. Like if you go to the 5 minute here, besides that displacement, it looks like we're still kind of in this range right here. Like if you just look like between this and this low, we haven't really broken out. We're not really in like a solid trend or anything. And my model is literally following the trend. So I kind of didn't take the higher time frame and the overall market trend into my thoughts, I guess. But yeah, I was thinking since we had this data low right here at 10 a.m., I was thinking just to put like my take profit at that data low. Or yeah, or my take profit. But like that'd just be so emotional. Like I'm either gonna let it hit my take profit or stop loss or my break even point. Like I'm not about to do that. I did see some people catch longs to this high. Like you definitely could have taken something like this. I probably wouldn't have taken this, but no, you would take something on NQ because NQ was the more uh, bullish asset here. Like you could take something to this high. I saw a lot of people on TikTok. I know AG Trades took something to this high. You could have easily taken, like, I definitely would have taken something like this, or let's see, yeah, something like this is pretty clean. You probably got stopped out, or no, you probably wouldn't have. Like, if you just had a stop loss like right here. To be honest, I probably would have got break even on this, just because, no, I probably wouldn't have gotten break even. I don't know, maybe I would have gotten break even right there and then got break even, but if you took this, good job. If you didn't, you took what I took, not a great job because yeah, like after this displacement, okay, it's obvious we're not in a range anymore. Like we broke out of this range here. Like after we broke out of like this bullshit right here, and it's like, all right, yeah, we're gonna go to this high. Like look at this 5 minute displacement to that high. And plus this high is like such a good draw on liquidity that I 100% would have taken this trade. But I only take one trade a day. We move. We can't really get caught up in the mistakes. It's whatever. Yeah, it's tough taking a loss like that, especially because you know you shouldn't have taken that loss. Mondays are always tough for me. For some reason, I always take bad trades on Monday. I don't exactly know why, but it's whatever. Bad start to the week. We have 4 more days to make it up, though, so it's gonna be all right. I'm not gonna force anything for the rest of the week. I'm down around 400 in drawdown for all my fund and futures accounts. One, it's like 500 just because some copy trading issues I had about a month back, but hopefully I can get a payout by the end of the month. I'm not going to force anything to get it, but I've been trading a lot better this year. Like I look back at my trades in February and they are so much worse. I'm like, what the fuck? Why would I ever take that shit back in February? But now it's just so much better. So I'm taking much better trades, much better setups. I've been thinking about getting more funding, but I really want to get this payout first, just to prove to myself, that I can be profitable over a consistent amount of time. My dog keeps looking at me. Oh, I'm not feeding you right now. We got 13 more minutes until. No, bruh, stop complaining. I don't know if you guys can hear it. My dog's fucking yelling at me. But yeah, that's how I lost around 1,200 bucks day trading. But we move on to the next day. Hopefully, price action will be better. I don't think it was terrible today. I just shouldn't blame price action. But yeah, that's it.